Okay, so it is time to make my post-workout snack. And what I do for that is typically my protein shake. And so I'll show you how I make that in just a second. And that gives me about the 30 grams of, well, it does give me, the way I make it, it gives me 30 grams of protein right after my workout. And I know that that's an important number, or so I've learned. And of course, if my workout is in the evening after work, then I do, basically my protein shake is part of my dinner. And so then I'll just have a little bit I'll have some like veggies, some like, you know, just, I don't know, some steamed veggies, like mixed veggies. And then I'll have something like a little bit of lentils or a little bit of tofu or a little bit of beans or something like that to round it out. So that's usually what I do for dinner. But this is midday now. I don't know, I just got home from the gym and it's you know, early afternoon. So this will basically be kind of like my lunch now, I guess. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this thing together. Oh my goodness, that is good. That hits the spot. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.